Blue flag certification. Now this is the award for the cleanest beach. Various countries across the globe have nominated themselves, and from those beaches that were nominated, few of those beaches have been selected. So from India, we have 8 of the beaches that are part of Blue Flag certification. The recent addition is the Shivrajpur beach. Now, when we talk about which of the beaches have been included in the Blue Flag certification, which is given by the Foundation for Environmental Education, Denmark, let's go through the list from India. So near Dwarka, you have the Shivrajpur in Gujarat. So this is in Gujarat. Then you have Ghoghla beach again in Gujarat. Then you have the Padubidri beach in Karnataka. Then in Kerala, the Kappad beach. Andhra Pradesh, you have Rushikonda, Golden Beach in Odisha, and in Andaman, Radhanagar beach. So those are the 8 beaches which have been part of the Blue Flag certification. However, when the ministries basically recommended, these were the list of the proposed beach that were recommended, of which those that could not form or could not go through have been marked here. So you must also know the list of these beaches which were proposed but not included in the Blue Flag certification criteria. Now for the Blue Flag certification criteria, let's understand some of the basic things. There are 33 criteria which have been grouped under 4 major heads. Now these are environmental education, bringing water quality, environmental management and conservation, and safety on the beaches. This program was started in 1985 in the region of France and then later out in the areas of Europe in 2001. Recently, there have been 47 countries who have been participating in this Blue Flag certification program, with nearly 4,573 beaches which have the certification so far, and these are awarded annually. So those are some of the major criteria and the 4 major criteria under which you have the certification that is granted. Now, in India, before the certification was granted, what was important was what are the permissible activity that government allowed in the CRZ or the coastal regulation zones for getting a blue flag certification. Now this is for maintaining a minimum distance of 10 meters from the high tide area. So from the coast, the high tide area, the minimum distance should be 10 meters, and these are the activities that should be permitted in the coastal regulation zone. So these could be solid waste management, solar power plant, beach access pathways, outdoor plays, first aid stations, cloakroom. Then you have the safety watchtowers, parking facility, entry and exit points, tourist facilitation centers, and infrastructural information. So those are some of the key highlights under Blue Flag certification. Again, this question becomes important for your map locations also, because you could have the location of Shivrajpur that could be directly asked in Dwarka. So again, a very important point. Similarly, Radhanagar in Andaman and Nicobar, very important location. We would be covering many such important updates for you. Have a wonderful day ahead.